Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We back with another one, Bafethu. Buile si fresh, Mapagania. Before we start the show, you know the trail, Mapagania. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As I always say, Mapagania, it helps us keep the lights on, Mapagania. Without a subscription button, there is no PFTV.
It's free, Mapagani.
Yeah, another thing. Thanks, Ghost. It's free, Mapagania. You don't have to put in your banking details. You don't have to pay anything. It's absolutely free. You just subscribe. Obviously, algorithm. Once you subscribe, it will suggest our channel more and more on your timeline. With me, Mapagania, I have a Machite studio in Petu Coast to Munandi.
Ah, Chief. Top of the world, Chief. Top of the world.
Top of the world.
Very happy, dog.
And last but not least, Mapagania, the man himself, they call him Nengo Mashe, the guy who used to play on the dusty streets.
And professional.
Former player, Fiso Muyeni.
We back with another one.
Bafethu.
Bafethu makani yabona ukuthi PFTV yewinisa Mapagani league. Phela this league is ours. Ipagani melifuna iPFTV nje ntanga siqede ground
To the finish line.
Nice one. Yeah.
Mefuna basi.
You wear that oomph.
Yeah,
to get us over the line.
What do you say?
Yeah.
How do you say Mapagani?
Tara simka ama tactics.
Yeah, I samuka Yeah, Mapagani.
Yeah. That extra push to get over the line. Beautiful one, Mr. Mlambo. Of course, Mapagania, stay tuned to the channel. Plenty that we're going to discuss. We're going to discuss Pagania versus Amakesi. We're going to discuss Mamelodi Sundowns versus Siwele first. Also going to discuss the lovely defeat that we saw yesterday. So it's going to be a jam-packed show, Mapagania. Stay tuned to the channel. Obviously, before we start, Mapagania, you guys saw we went to Babu Mdluli for you watch along. Beautiful experience, Mr. Mlambo.
Isikotini saka Mapagani mfethu kusekhaya lapha.
Yeah.
You know when you are there mfethu you just happy. Your blood is just black and white. And I told you guys that day, the very most important decision and good decision I made in my life was to support Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Mfethu supporting Orlando Pirates mfethu nangalesikhathi lesesikuso.
Yeah.
I'll even say now we fortunate. Phela we history makers, we're gonna take dribble. Yes, akakayenzakali, but it's still loading. Yangithola ne-DDC iwinile.
Nice.
Iwinile league mfethu. 2026 has been good for us.
Yeah.
It's been good.
2026 Ghost has been very good to us.
Yeah, mfethu, very positive overall, mfethu. The boys gave a good push, mfethu. You know, last season and even the previous season, we lost the season in the second leg. So it was good to see the boys performing still. But what's already 6, in fact, what's already 5. Even in the second leg, it shows, or in fact, the legs were still there, the heart and the desire was there, in fact. So beautiful overall, in fact. And we must give a shout out to our TDC, in fact. They also did a stellar job, in fact, to coach the players, in fact. It was a beautiful performance, beating Sundowns that are go to Obsidia.
Yeah.
So I think we must give them their flowers as well.
Yeah. We didn't do a pod. We did after that. We went to Mdluli. So we didn't. Yeah. Beautiful. Before we get to the DDC, obviously we'll get to them. Obviously we did post-match interviews, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah.
I don't know who was your favorite for the day.
Mr. Mlambo was my favorite.
You take it.
I'm taking it.
You take it.
Utito simsola.
Uthi was Mandela uyasho tari shine.
Hey Mr. Mlambo, hey baby. Insan goes to Mr. Mlambo Mapagani. Hey, ndanga Utito simsola. I'm still asking.
Yeah. You'll get to Tito. Ghost.
Yeah, I think for my standout was beekeeper. Yeah, uyazi always cooking abulam tutu. Noma bangekho endabeni siyabafana.
Siyababheka.
Yeah, and I had Manshai interview and I think he was doing your post match.
Yeah.
Yeah, khala ifonu lapho ntanga khala ichwele ulam tutu wodwa lo. So yeah, I think shout out to Peakeeper to always gonna give you funny moments in his interviews while also analyzing the game as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, shout out to you as well. I think another one that surprised me to Mamdlule.
Yo,
Mamdlule
yo,
Shaile,
yo,
mfethu.
Mamdlule,
I was
Yeah,
about to give it to, and actually the Mduli families. I don't want to single it out.
yeah.
For me, it was the Mduli families. But Mduli, obvious, in fact, young
Pagani.
Pagani elikhulu, Mduli. Makashaya introduction athi, umfazi wasemakhishini. Beautiful, let's So yeah, I think well, the Mduli family is for me. The Mduli family for me.
Yeah.
And then jumping straight into it, Mr. Mlambo. So Pagani to destroying Makesi 3-0 on the day.
It was bound to happen, mfethu. When there is Tito there, mfethu, I'm saying now. We move, mfethu.
Yeah.
Did you see the first goal, Kao? Diamond lento le ehlale siyipreach ukuthi that guy covers a lot of kilometers and understand football. Football is not played by speed.
Yeah.
It's played by IQ. You must understand ukuthi I have to be here. Lo mjita los shaya I build up ungada yafethu.
Yeah.
Uyagijima uza phambili uyenza ngathi ushaya idami. He's finding that space. Ubulala abantu. Mfethu like
Beautiful goal, coach.
Beautiful
But did you,
goal.
you get a chance to look at it back? Because they give you more TikTok fan that.
Sure.
He's like-
Yeah, one I'm fit like movement.
started, yeah.
Beautiful.
But that's Tito for you.
That's Tito for you.
That guy understands. Ngizwala ntanga. You can be good as a player.
Yeah.
But cabanga ke must understand ukuthi at this time I must be here.
I must be here. Yeah.
It makes your life so much easy. Yes, other people might not see that, you understand. But for me, that was the highlight in Tanga. When Tito is in the field of play, maybe angangadlali like kahle, maybe abe ne game grand. But the spaces which he find himself, like Namarans, Ntanga unqeda amandla lo mjito. To win the league.
Wetito.
Tito.
Wetito.
Tito.
Wetito.
Tata.
Wetito.
Tata.
Wetito.
Tata.
Wetito.
Manje Mr. Mlambo ulesithi ukuthi nizomzonda nize
Ah,
nimthande.
Sebayamthanda.
Thomas Wanganye mfethu, it was one of my favorite standout performers as well. I understand. I think mfethu he shows up Tito mfethu. Ever like no one is even talking about Moremi. And like bear in mind ukuthi Moremi the time he went out mfethu yongithola. You were crying, saying mfethu uyabona manje ndoda is going to be very difficult for us. You understand? But Tito mfethu feeling like at love. You understand? Mamdluli said it, ukuthi is our engine, he makes us tick in Tang. So like those small movements, I was watching that goal go TikTok, yo. Even the celebration. So you can, cause I even saw a video, Pagania like mabangena, Puma like pitch side, cause
Sure.
immediately after his Sundowns, it was our game. So from there you can hear who's talking. I think it was Siema. I'm not sure if it's Siema or someone else. That uyakhuluma ukuthi camera ibabhekile uyakhuluma ukuthi uthini la hayi kunje uthini like something of encouragement to say we're going to score more goals, just that I forgot the exact words. You understand? So that you could tell ukuthi okay, they are aware of what happened to Siwilele and Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
And they know the job at hand. You understand?
Sure.
And then, you know what proves me right ukuthi after that goal akamasanganye
No
he
celebration.
fetches the ball angithola ukuthi ebafethu let's go, we need goals angithola
Yeah.
beautiful fit mangibona le clip intanga afana was motivated ukuthi abona these guys they know the mission if you understand that niye kuba confused, they know ukuthi what is at stake, what they need to do. You understand? So beautiful from Tito Masanganye Coast.
Yeah, mfethu umsolani ungasho iphini. Umsolani. Awuthile mfethu then like he's been consistent mfethu. Aramkenya or Shaila Span mfethu. Once put him from the bench, he does the job. Once let him miss 3 games umkenya kaya before, he does the job mfethu. Goals, assists, Kitito, so I think overall on that Makesi game, the boys played fantastic. Didn't complain about anything. Like we were on tune. From keeper to striker, we played beautiful. So yeah, I think in fact a good performance made a statement or we are taking this thing.
Yeah. Someone that also stood out for me, it was Bilibili. I understand.
Obvious.
It's Bilibili mfethu always Mr. Mlambo yangithola. He's a defender, ne? He plays as a right back, ne? But always he has something to say when it comes to goals or assists, yangithola.
Yeah.
He always finds himself in those pockets, yangithola, where he's extremely dangerous. And I said it on my post match, this guy, yangithola, he doesn't give you a chance to breathe, Mr. Mlambo. You understand? If you are a left wing, you playing on that side, you just know you're going to have a tough day. You understand?
Yeah.
He's not that defender who is going to back off, when you come up with the ball. My trap is here. You understand?
1v1
So the
is
only
good.
option that you have, if you can't beat him for pace, is to take it back. You understand?
Sure.
Because once Uzamala must step over mfethu, lo mntu ufake inyawo, yangithola.
Yeah.
Seyiphelile attack, yangithola. So Mike Mamosha, we see him also on our socials is there. You understand?
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
excited to see Mike Mamosha, Lucky Lkhwati as well. You understand? That we see them. Beautiful. I don't know what you think about Mike Mamosha.
More than right back.
More than right back. Yeah.
He used to play Pambili from TS Galaxy. Let's shine the Sundowns is all.
Yeah.
He used to play Pambili. I understand. I mean, the first time seeing Speedy. Even last season, I think he scored against them. Coming to Pirates, to Kale wadlala Pambili, if you remember.
Yeah.
But now he right back, and the Ghost one said this. Right back in town, he must
Yeah. Shout out to Ghost. He
Shout
said
out
it.
to you, Ghost. Shout out. I'm told you are nta.
Uyayirobha,
1v1 uzokumaka kamnandi. Pambili has something to offer. So what I can say was Bilibili, we thank him ukuthi like he's part of us, and I think he had a great season. Yangithola cherry on top nje ukuthi abafana nje mele basebenze ukuthi swine le league. Sekushoda nje ukuthi swine nje Saturday.
Yeah.
Athole i-reward yakhe.
It's a little right there.
Computer no idea no CM for the defend of the season.
Bilibili.
Awusalile mfethu Speedy.
Let's maruqedile late.
Yeah,
Like come
yeah.
on.
Phela bangathatha no TLB bambize ngale.
Adlali happy season.
He's capable.
You think like Hugo Bruce in like ana chance, he must just call Bilibili mfethu.
Yeah,
Because umdawu is good ne ema uyashayana ntanga ngezandla. Enswili doesn't have that. Uyashayana namazi umdawu. Naku Egypt uyo senzele ipenalty ndoda ngesandla. Yo.
Sandla.
Isandla ntanga. Like ntanga akubona usibamba lesandla. Uyakhumula against Egypt.
Yeah.
Who made that penalty? Lousy ntanga. Mdawu. You see penalties. He's a good player.
Yeah, and he's a
Take
good
nothing
player.
away. Emasandla zakhe man. Engathi angasibamba man. Yeah.
Another thing that you point yaga riding yaga yena Mudau is that lapse of concentration. I understand. You must check. And sometimes plays a highlight. Most of the time, the guy who's sleeping at the back is Mudau. You understand?
Is it?
Yeah, you must check that. I always say Mudau is sleeping. You understand that? And sometimes if it's sometimes they make like a beautiful line. Mawa push a disciplined one.
Sure.
But most of the time, man, you check and you Mudau is sleepy. So much as Umnandi, we can't
he's a
take
good
that
player.
away from him. Umnandi, quality player with a lot of qualities, you understand?
Sure.
But now, la shot for lawa.
Yeah,
You know,
most definitely.
abo concentration njengoba usho ngezandla. you
Isandla
understand?
sakhe.
So I think for me, Mr. Mlambo Bilibili must be there. Mfethu.
Yeah, most definitely. I can't take away njengoba ngisho ukuthi umdawu unesandla. Obvious siyazi uyezoqala as a right back, but at least fanele abe nelinye right back mfethu njengabo Sibilibili, because also in terms of the squad une experience ebhayo umdawu. Yangithola, we can't take that away. Sibilibili akanayo, but siyafuna ukuthi bambize.
Yeah.
Uyayideserve ntanga. He has played so well this season.
Yeah. So Mr. Mlambo mfethu, it's 14 years mfethu. You understand that since he took the title. You
Yeah.
understand. This year, in fact, it looks like it's heading to the arena. I understand.
Yeah.
So for you, like, what changed, in fact? Like, what made us this phenomenal up to so far?
I think it's a squad which we have. We have a lot of squad. Ndanga. I was listening to Mayema or Mayela. Mayela, our
Yeah.
previous captain. You understand? He said, I think it was because Michael Martin. At with this squad, no one is gonna ever do us anything if the boys focus. Tanga like the squad which we have, Tanga like mina ngikhumbule siba naso. Yangithola angikhumbule because of the number of people which we have. No muntu mfethu oshaywa 18 mara you know ukuthi he's a good player. When last did you see Shenko? Yangithola. When last did you see Master Chef? You see Abu Tansin, you see Abu Mariko, they still do the job defensively. When last did you see Pepe Sesan?
Yeah.
Malobasa is gone. We have Botuma, we have Ngwanasis, we have Cash and Santanga. The list is endless. I mean, I think what has changed and what we didn't have on the previous seasons is the squad. Because if you can check also last season, Sibe Sacha my injury, so your pen. We didn't have abantu abazo spec up. But now even Mulimede, it's the same Nandi. The squad.
Share same sentiment goes the squad.
Yeah, definitely. I think that's the major change in Fetu. But overall, as well, over time in Fetu, you've seen the structure being built. You know, the coordination with DDC and the first team. And so there's also credit that can go to management in that aspect. But definitely for winning this league in Fetu, I think mostly the squad depth helped us a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The squad. I also agree, but also you shouldn't overlook the coaching as well. I understand that. For me, if it's, you can have a squad. I understand that, but sometimes you need a brave person who's going to manage the squad. I understand that. So shout out to Mandla Ngikazi and Coach AP. I understand because if it's you, because it goes to we can say what we want. I understand.
Yeah.
Sundowns, in fact, they have like how many foreign players in fact that are bought that are expensive. Squad, in fact, I understand. I don't know how many Brazilians, Chileans, Portuguese, you understand. Those are like imports or exports, you understand. So there must be someone who's managing this bunch of team, Buffett. You understand? Now that Buffett you must acknowledge, Coast. You understand?
Yeah.
Can I ask?
Much as the likes of Real Madrid, you understand? They have Mbappe, they have Vinicius, they have one band, they have one band. All these quality players, you understand? But in fact, they lack what? They lack a proper leader who's going to be a coach, you understand? Who's going to lead this troop, you understand? So without someone who's brave, in fact, who's tactically, young Tolomnandi, in fact, the squad won't be successful, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, while it's coffee and coast.
Yeah, no, Tona, you are making a good point. In fact, once we can't take that away. Mandla and what we did their thing, and so on. So as much as we are giving credit to management in terms of the structure that has been built over the years, and so on, the coordination from the TDC team and all that, the players also showing up and besides the Matepe, and so on. Equally so, we can also give credit to the success to the coaches as well.
Yeah.
I begin the
Are you done coughing, sir?
I begin the cause. I'm not.
Sure.
I begin the Mapagani.
Yeah. Moving on to Mamelodi Sundowns, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah.
You saw to first initially they were looking for goals against the Siwelele. I understand. The beekeeper said, "Akusiso le Siwelele. Lesi sisibone namhlanje. Akusiso Siwelele." I understand. So I think in fact Sundowns went ultra tech. They knew what they had to do. You understand. It's either we wanna sit back and take a 1-0, 2-1 or 2-0 win, or we're going to put everyone forward and risk it. You understand? And maybe it can be a 5-1, a 7-2. You understand? A 8-3. You understand? By the end of the day, it came to 7-4. You know, which was a +3 on their goal difference. and we missed that.
Yeah, hayi Mbombay le ya.
Ayidli, yeah.
Hayi akusiso lesaswelele. On Facebook, lezi swelele ghost ziyaposta zithi what if Sundowns score 6 goals and get 3 points. Then Sundowns come score 7. Kungazodlalwa ngathi man.
Yeah.
So ubani osho njalo? The players.
No, you have to go on Facebook, see whether the page, not the players, the page, the admin,
But
Or like the
athini?
team.
the team.
Yeah.
Ukuthi what if Sundowns namhlanje? What if Sundowns scores six goals and get 3 points? Then Sundowns iyayenza leyo nto kusathi ikora 7.
Page your team.
Ayibheke la.
It posted that ghost.
Ayibheke la.
Joshua Mr. Mlambakayibo.
Ayibheke la.
Ah, icela ukuyibheka Mr. Mlambo.
Hayi sikhona.
It's difficult to believe that one.
Live. Bangabe bayidelete. Because I was surprised.
Yeah, so Tini image fixing.
Hayi Mbombay. Azodlalwa ngathi la. Manje lezi swelele mazidlala ziyabona ukuthi ayidliwa thina 7.
Yeah.
Out score.
Ziyajika
Are they verified?
Yeah,
Obviously
they're
they should,
verified.
ne?
Mr. Mlamba ubona ngi edited photo.
How many
From
followers
Facebook
do
straight.
they have, Mr. Mlambo? Is it 108?
Around that.
Ah, no, it's not this one.
Ithi checken uzwakala.
Okay, yeah, you can
Why
check.
sisakhuluma?
Ghost Mr. Mlambo is making strong accusations.
Yeah, he's making a strong accusation.
Why sisakhuluma?
But I don't think Snap it. I see those rumors go social
Yeah, me
media.
too.
For me, in fact, they don't have a leg to stand on. In fact, for me, in fact, we watch football a lot. Fire, we consume a lot of football.
Yeah.
Even Lumukas, in fact, we got the Masters. You see such score lines sometimes. So and so, even in competitive tournaments, Imulu ranking is 200,000 to pool. And so
Yeah.
you'll get such score lines sometimes. So,
Yeah.
so I think it's part of football. In fact, there's nothing to it.
Ish, ukuthi network sakhuluma ngePirates la. Mfethu, I saw that. Angikhulumi ngento engayibonanga.
Siwelele fans most this one.
It's not defense. Defense.
108, yeah, Mr. Mlambo, this one is not.
Xolisa,
Okay,
Mr.
no,
Mlamba.
no. What is Siwelele fans? Siwelele club fans. Check. Siwelele football
No,
club fans.
akusiyo le. The verified one. I saw it.
Xolisa, Mr. Mlamba.
Aye, okay, fela uzozana screenshot on our next
Sizobona,
show.
sizobona screenshots mangiyithola. But if I'm wrong siwelele ngiyaxolisa.
Yeah,
Aye, fela,
But I saw,
don't
I'm talking with what I saw. But if I'm wrong, ngiyaxolisa.
sure.
Yeah. I mean, for me, mfethu, as I said, ukuthi Sundowns mfethu, they knew ukuthi mfethu, they had to score a lot of goals. I understand. Equally, so they're going to be vulnerable.
True.
Ngiyangithola at
Then
the
that's how I
back.
saw
Yeah,
it.
I understand.
I have a
So,
question before Skubek.
yeah.
They also knew nagu TS Galaxy zone.
It
That's
was a
what they
similar
try to
game.
do.
It
That's
was
what
a
they
similar
try to
game.
do.
Guys,
You understand?
Guys, Siwelele is strong than TS Galaxy.
Ah.
Let's be honest.
Mara Mr.
Honest,
Mlam.
honest, back.
Mr.
my
Mlam,
man.
Ushai-
Listen
Chiefs
to-
Ishai Sundowns,
no, listen
Sundowns
to my
Ishai
point. Let
Pirates,
me
at
land.
least.
Let me land.
Okay,
Yes, I
land.
know you ball. But Siwelele, check Siwelele, like the games which they've played. Ziyazivula intanga. Mazodlala nePirates or neChiefs. Ziyavala.
Yeah.
For you to score there. Intanga ukora kanzima. Ricardo Goss lapha emapalini uzokuyenzani? Uzokuvimba. Check
Yeah.
that game intanga. Mebavulile ngathi sidlala i-cup game.
Yeah. I hear what you're saying, Mr. Mlambo. But I mean, I feel like if it Sundowns went all out of it, I understand. So equally so now in retaliation, they think we can catch them on a break and they commit many men forward.
Exactly.
That's why that scoreline ended up being 7-3.
Yeah, 4.
Crazy 7-4, you know,
Sure.
crazy
Yeah.
scoreline like that, young son. TS Galaxy, I think they tried that. And even I listened to Bennett Parker, their head coach, saying Gucci, they were under pressure. You knew that they're under pressure.
They're gonna come
understand?
out.
They want points. They want to score a lot of goals. You understand?
Yeah.
I think for too, we knew what we had to do. You understand? Now that guy said it to Mfetu. What we needed to do is that we need to isolate their defense.
Yeah.
You understand? Once our keeper has the ball, he plays it
Long,
that side. You
yeah.
understand? That one, and usually Luti, that Mahlambi, who got injured. You know, Luti,
Yeah.
He's our most dangerous player.
Sure.
So our intention was to isolate him with the right back. All the time, those balls, if you can check, they play to him.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
You understand? And that's where their goals come from. Most of them. I think he's even the one is the one who got the penalty as well.
Yeah.
You understand? So Bennett Parker, you must give Bennett Parker his flowers.
Yeah.
He gave us this league on a silver platter.
Ke bona ba re shaetse Spain,
Yeah,
ba
like
seng
because
bolang
this season, this season. Angathatha ukubheka inkosi legend. Angathatha ukubheka inkosi libamba Sundowns. Asebonga Nkosi. Angisayiphakamisa namanje.
Abakosi yeah. Did you watch that game, Ghost?
Yeah, that's why I carry him fit. For me, it was a similar game, and like even for the coach, in fact, if you are going into a game against a team like Sundowns in that situation, as Bernard Parker said, you anticipate, in fact, already these guys are gonna come out guns blazing, one so attack, one so like getting injured, and you can easily know right what's again. Let's leave one person up front or two people up front, one so. Right, so counter attack.
Yeah.
We are always gonna catch them out. Diba mdau they are why diba kupili.
Yeah.
So that's why those boys were getting a lot of balls. They were threatening Sundowns. They could have scored a lot of goals. In fact, even the first half.
You could have scored a lot of goals. Talk. Yo. Mfethu. Mudiba mfethu bekalahlile in that game.
Yeah.
Just that they didn't use that space.
Sure.
And even when they were going forward, mfethu Mudiba was making bad decisions. You understand? A right back, okay, you'd understand Uti Mudau is not there. You know that guy that came in is not used to it to playing because I Mahlambindana hear him on
It's good
toast.
that guy. Ukuthi mina kahlangene noMahlambi. You
Young
don't know that boy. It's good now.
I Mahlambindana hear him on toast. Like yes, I beat that. And then Mahlambindana you must look out for his. You must look out for that.
Talented.
Fana
Hey,
nokuto wakhe.
talented.
Straight.
I think we once mentioned him before. He plays like his brother.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
He's too good.
But I wanna like defend out a forward player who strives on one. You can see something is gonna happen. Even when he goes to you, something is gonna happen.
Tricky player.
Yo, I know a tricky player. Young Bennett Parker, I don't know what he said to his players. In fact, this season I don't remember seeing a team this season who did that lot of running. In fact, you could see. I remember 70 minutes. Kaufela nedishagi di cramp. In fact, they left their hearts on the field. In fact, like Sundowns in fact, there's no plan. In fact, like there's no plan. In fact, and also Njoki Nganyanki, they didn't even let them play. If one player I trigger a press. There's a follow-up player. Just like that, midfielding one is congested. I was looking at Mukwena closed in fit. Mukwena don't know letting you laziness. Even when he jokes, you understand.
I track.
So
I go to lazy.
And then you understand. He didn't have a good game.
Sure.
It's like every player is Sundowns, you understand?
Sure. And I want to say this, Ntwana.
Yeah.
Imagine if we were to go to Sundowns like that, in fact, we're not going to let these guys play.
Yeah.
With our quality. Imagine how we could have smashed Sundowns.
Yeah. That one, and Nike, I blame it on the coach.
Sure.
That one, the coach was a coward. He was supposed to go at Sundowns.
Sure.
This is easiest day. Don't understand?
No, definitely.
So, Coast, do you see a future for that guy? Normally, Sundowns, Caruso. Because the league is gone. But these guys have been dominating the league, Mr. Mlambo. I don't know for how long now.
8 seasons, yeah.
8 seasons in a row, you understand? Sure. This guy comes in fact, he's on the CAF final, you understand? Yeah. But rumors are, even this guy, even if he wins the CAF, the league is their present part, I understand?
Yeah.
So I don't know how you feel about that, Ghost. Do you think he'll be there next season?
Nah, he must be there. It was Kahlanyeza Karius. This guy went to the CAF final. In fact, he lost the league on the last day. Karius or Rinket Treble if next season.
Yeah. Oh, it's not the last day, Ghost.
No, I'm saying for them. I get they played on their last day,
Oh,
and then it
last
determined
day.
if they win it or not.
Okay,
So,
okay.
yeah, so essentially they lost it on the last match. So I do later fit next year. I'm a peta via travel. It's fine.
Emotions aside, Mr. Mlambo, I say my emotion. But do you think this guy will be there next season? Or do you think I was gonna fire my tie?
I don't ngizwe i-chairman yabo mayikhuluma bandihloni
Hey, well spoken.
yeah well spoken
Hluphi mzee.
I think ngendlela akhulume ngayo there's still a future for Caruso but
But that guy, when I check him there, man, it seems like those guys, good in PR.
Yeah,
But when you
yeah,
go to the pot room, it's the guys who throws everything. You understand? This is unacceptable.
We're
Bo.
going in a quartile joa that is standing.
Everyone knows the elevator goes to the yakwata elevator, yakwata
Yeah.
elevator.
based on his name like wait ngithola ngathi ku right but like based on I don't think Caruso did bad personally.
Yeah.
I don't think he did bad. Like Tina, we were top this season. Top. We always say this. Sundown Hlali winning league with these points. Same points, just different. Caruso is in the final.
Yeah.
Ndanga, like second time ilandelana.
Yeah.
For me, I think Uguti Pirates this season has much improved. You understand? And I can't appeal. Everything comes to an end. And it was gonna be us goes to how many seasons we've been runners up.
Yeah.
Now, but they were supposed to smell that. So these guys are coming now.
These guys are
Because
coming,
Bona,
yeah.
I think second round of the season they've played so well. You understand?
Yeah.
First round of the season, Messi Kusobashia le Bazobabu number 3, number 4.
Yeah.
But I think Caruso for me, I think he has done so well. You understand? The Gucci Pirates has much improved. And to say finally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with you, Mr. Mnambo, like fully, young Tora. That guy, in fact, you can see there's a coach there, you understand? So, when you're accustomed to winning, you understand? Sometimes, because it is, it's something else.
It's life.
You understand? That sometimes, in fact, a good, brilliant coach, young Tola. Even Rivero, he's
Sure.
still crying about Rivero.
Yeah.
But when he went to Al Ahly, young
Yeah,
Tola,
didn't-
he didn't. How many games? I think Boma 4
9
games,
or-
5
yeah,
games.
yeah.
He was fired. You understand? And this guy is a good coach. You understand? Exactly what I'm seeing on that Caruso guy. I think in fact Caruso, in fact, that team, Mamelodi Sundowns, and like we you understand? I'm not just that they can't deal with his success Orlando Pirates. These
Sure.
Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, you understand? I don't know how that guy feels, that Tlopi guy, but as I said, now he strikes me as the guy who's good in PR in front of people, say the right words, and even you're twang and twang, I understand. But when he goes to the pot room, he tells these guys, you must fire this guy. I understand. I won't even talk to him. The director must go, you understand, and break the news, you understand. I think if he does that, it will be the biggest mistake. you
It's a loss.
understand? It will be their biggest mistake.
Yeah.
Because in fact, from here, when I'm Mr. Mlambo, I don't see Orlando Pirates dropping a point tally, you understand? So if now we want to take it near 70 points or 71 points, and so on, I see us next season going to 73, you understand? That other season going to 75, you understand? That's 76. So I think it's tricky like that, in fact. But if they fire that guy Ghost, now I'm telling you now, in fact, it's going to be very, very, very tricky.
And they'll still have to build.
They have to
Rebuild.
build. young-
No,
and,
Baba
uh,
Matulu coach
and they
of
don't
good
they
Ganja.
don't they don't believe in building, those guys. They don't believe. I was watching some podcast, some of the analysts Akalo, Mfethu, Pela Mfethu, Mamelodi Sundowns, Mfethu. They give everything, mfethu. I went and checked. These guys, they have like 6 players from abroad. You understand? Those players, mfethu, they're expensive, mfethu.
And they understand football.
They
are
understand
well
football.
developed.
Like, they don't sign development players that side. They sign quality
Developed,
players.
yeah.
They bring them this side. Yeah, these guys, they don't believe in the
Young
in
talent.
developing players, young South African players. You understand? Let's be honest.
Ah,
Yeah.
They don't believe. You understand? So you have Orlando Pirates on the other side.
Singukuvana.
You
It's only
understand?
Orlando Pirates. Then
Yeah.
Chiefs goes to Africa. Then they try to.
Chiefs buy one get one free.
Yeah,
They try to.
Sundowns buys quality, Chiefs buys quantity. You understand? It just buy a lot of average players.
Silva, Abodilepo, Abodimbandara. Ungababala bonke. Then there was
Silva.
Nengomasha. Nengomasha. Bagcine ngabo Nengomasha to buy correct stuff.
Yeah,
Bokatsande. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Mosha, but
Nengomasha.
Ukatsani ndoda.
I don't.
No, but like Semshelo, in terms of it's bonus.
Hayi,
Like,
still,
think ukubonise,
think
ne?
of another one.
Ebholweni there's abopepe yangithola upepe like mnandi ngeke ukuthi mnandi kakhulu but uyazi ukuthi la ngine fighter la with this one I'm gonna win the game. Katsande was like that for Chiefs. If you can check izinto akazwinile, yes, I know we're not talking about Chiefs now, but izinto akazwinile uKatsande during his time there akade uye I think no Shabalala or no Park zibhaya kakhulu because of his contribution. Mekasikhatlela.
Yeah, I mean that's what I remember him from.
Yeah, but izinto akazwinile zingakanani aza athatha nebhandi because he played ube yislave lapha saleya team leya until wahamba.
Yeah.
Mara ngithi ukhuluma ngequality Mr. Mla inkinga yakho the
No,
last
fair.
time they signed quality
Fair.
Skatsand imagine the statement Skatsand is quality
He was a flop. He was a flop.
Crazy,
Tanga we
crazy.
Mara
had
yabona ufake ibeke grand ukuthi they just signed
it's
average
bonus,
players.
but Ukatsand
Yeah.
helped them to win things.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'll have to check which things, Mr. Mlamba.
Tanga unamalika ingakhi, you must check the number of leagues akabe nawo. Umjita make ehamba
Ukatsande.
Ukatsande unamaliki ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Ama-league ndoda i-Chiefs ithatha ama-league ayikaki.
Unani? Okay, unani Ukatsande? Cela ucheck unani Ukatsande ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Asike uKatsande mafethu.
It's not a cocination podcast.
no,
Yeah, asiyeke
Yeah,
zizoyikhuluma.
it's not a cocination podcast. West Mlombo, we heading to Escotini ndanga Saturday. It's a sold out affair. If you
Yeah.
can understand.
Yeah.
If we win this one, it's done. I'm telling you, see, goal difference last game in. If we win, it's 1-0. It's done, Mr.
Yeah,
Mlambo.
yeah.
If you don't understand that. How big is this one, if it?
Cela uqale ngithi tsamaya nkabuyelo tsamaya nkabuyelo tsamaya nkabuyelo tsamaya nkabuyelo tsamaya nkabuyelo abambe bayofa
Kabuyelu,
tsamaya nkabuyelo tsamaya
kabuyelu,
tsamaya nkabuyelo abahambe
kabuyelu.
now is our time danga
Aye,
now is our time danga now is our time uyacaba when you've been waiting for something for so long.
Yeah.
See, if you don't know how to behave. Abanye goes baba excitement, you understand? Baba excited. Abanye ntanga bayakhala because of excitement, yangithola like
Yeah.
intwana encane mfethu evele after 2010 for iPirates.
Yeah.
Ayazi kahle iPirates mayithatha like ileague.
Sure.
Yangithola.
Sure.
Cabanga for them. Phela now isikhathi sePirates ntanga. And intwana encane, believe you me, they support Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Shukuthi this generation yabo Cocomelon intanga is so special because intanga phela uCocomelon uyaliqeda ibhola la South Africa at just 21.
Yeah.
This is how special this thing is. Then umfana kahambe go saye phesheya, then since we have a arena, let's make a statue there. That's how I feel intanga amapakaniya weze mfethu stadium on that last game.
Sold out.
Sizo celebrate ntanga. Kahle kahle
Celebration.
lapha yathi yo celebrate a ghost. Celebrate success intanga.
Yeah. I can't wait for that game, because you know every time when you go Escotini,
Sure.
it's 3 points at stake. Young
Yeah.
oh yeah, vele. So me, look every young I think in this game I'll be relaxed.
Sure.
You know, I pretty much trust this team. I know
Sure.
which they know what's at stake. I know which they'll deliver the 3 points on a silver platter. I have no doubt in my mind, and I haven't said it. In fact, riding esigodini, there is no way, it's impossible ukuthi we going to draw points.
no
Uyangana-
way.
there is no way. You understand?
Yeah.
So ndanga, I'm just relaxed mfethu, as you said ndanga kabuyilo tsamayamba mfethu. There is a new sheriff in town until in the name of Orlando Pirates mfethu. And we still going to dominate this league for the longest of time.
And
you
Kev.
understand? Bella, what we did, Mr. Mlambo, we must check our average team. These are young stars, because in fact, you can imagine how I feel, Mr. Mlambo. I'm an Arsenal fan. You understand? Arsenal is about to lift it. You understand? I'm an Orlando Pirates fan. Orlando Pirates is about to lift it. And we getting into an era where you can see Arsenal is going to dominate the EPL. Orlando Pirates is going to dominate the area. So you can imagine if you how I'm feeling at the moment. Whenever I see John EPL, whenever I see John Betway, with the same feeling, young tall. Ngapa na ngapa, you understand?
Chief, let's enjoy this moment.
Let's enjoy.
I'll relax I'm still explaining to Amapagani. I know with Amapagani, most of Amapagani are Arsenal fans as well.
Mapagani.
So Mapagani, imagine the feeling. I'm not even saying imagine. I know what you feeling the same feeling as I'm feeling at the moment. Understand? So beautiful co-stage, Mr. Mlombo does not need to finish what I'm trying to say. But it's fine, you can continue. Post.
I think this one is just saying it's an obvious one. Yeah, I'm not worried as well. I know the boys are gonna go there and do the job. And yeah, I'm fit to I'm just looking forward to Pamisa the trophy. In fact, seeing the boys celebrate. What are they doing with that venue situation? In fact, so like we must start planning and know where are we going on that last day. So I saw their statement already. They're gonna be doing that on Friday. So yeah, after that, in fact, we will be set. At least FNP in fact to celebrate Amogas. Yeah.
Top 7 rumors, in fact, they're becoming stronger and stronger. I'm not sure.
Yeah, apparently they've played there. EOB, the Konike Meba gave us la.
La isigodini. Apha isigodi ntangi so etho yonke. Ngithi angithi washo uBigip ukuthi no Jesu ntangi usupport iPirates.
Oh.
So etho yonke ikhaya lethu la ukuthi asisebenzisi nje angithi bonile abafana abakuka lapha.
Yeah. So to imagine that it's a great point that you make here. Abafana bakukele top save.
Let's kukela la.
You go in there senior team so cook at the same trophy. You can imagine plus top 7 is intimate, it's small.
Yeah.
So even guys who are not going to get the tickets, they're going to be in and around. You understand?
They can watch it from outside.
You understand? They're going to be family. You understand? I don't know if you're going to do a parade, in fact.
They must.
They
travel.
They
must.
They must.
Oh, Father, it's going to be a beautiful day. Imagine,
holiday, South Africa.
It's a holiday. It's a holiday.
Maybe PFTV.
Yeah.
Maybe PFTV parade.
I will be there. Go, invitation.
We're going there.
You're going there.
Yeah.
You're going there so fast.
Sure.
You understand? That's a parade of it to in and around Orlando. You understand? They can go to other provinces as well because obviously we supported all over. You understand? All over the country.
Yeah.
So where are we, Coast? Are we on the lock now?
Yeah, I think we can do the lock, gentlemen. The last time
it fell short. This one.
Yeah.
It was nice. It's jubbly.
Yeah. No, so our log buffets, we are on day 5 matches played now. Correct predictions, we got 24 sonke. And then correct score, 4 hours also go 5, I go 6 because he got that 3-0 Makesi. And then total points 5 suka ku-33 uya ku-36 sase number 1, then uGhost umlandela closely ku-32, then umcicishi kunumber last naye ku-32.
See, Steve, Pirates, Sundowns, and Kaizer Chiefs.
This guy, uveli fantastic.
Uyayimosha nje like uyayimosha nje uyayimosha uyabona cause ulida nga 4 point ngeArsenal sele 2 games uyabona isimile
Sure.
bangayimosha
Find a way to mess it up.
hey bayakona ukuthinta lapho
This thing is done.
So it's done.
Namasanda wana bewasho kanje.
Sesitane phakathi wonke ayithintathinte lapho
Bheka manje.
ayithintathinte
It's done. Kusho lo kuthi sham. You're only going to open the gap now.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
asidlalini khona isasekhona igame on
So it's
Predictor
what,
lapho.
Durban City versus Orlando Pirates versus Durban City. It's 4-0 into Orlando Pirates.
I guess job uyayibona nje.
Okay.
6-0 mapakani. 6-0 sibuku. Sesikotini sebala le.
ololo
Really?
alala ayinakuvula ukudliwa ayatrinile lento bayele
Really?
Oh, ukhuluma ngathi akaze uyibone le nto ndoda.
yo anakuvuna ukusala yena
Ngakhumbula ngiChiefs bekapredict ngoma 7. 7. Temperature. Are you fine?
ayajabula ujabula kakhulu mapakani
Yeah, he gets too excited.
ama excited
Yabona le energy le ekufuna kusona. Next week masiqeda ukuyishaya isisi
ama
mfana.
excited
Zoba ikhaya
He
nakuthi.
gets excited.
afike kanjani u6 intaba
There's no 6 there. It's a 4-0 win.
Hey, Mara is good because at least you see good thing for the Pirates. Mara ngithi asisadinga ama-goal manje. Sesidinga 3 points.
Hayi tanga, hey, we are always needing goals. I see adaso shaya 6 amabhakani ajabule. Beautiful send off. Yabo. So but anyways, you'll catch up. Angithi some of us are a decade ahead.
Aw.
Yeah, you know time.
Yeah.
You've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Not just this podcast, Mapagania. All of our content. And remember as well, when you watch our videos, Mapagania, our post match, don't forget to leave that like button.
Yeah.
If you're already subscribed, always like.
Yeah. To me mapakani yabo njengoba season sezophela this thing has been so great. Sikhule nani bafethu. We started this channel this season ntanga yeinhlanhla mfethu. Season yeinhlanhla and we have documented beautiful memories.
Yeah.
Isikhathi masama kusubaka documentary. Angithi thina sibaphi content emnandi. Uyangithola subaka documentary because of wonke lama post match intanga this podcast uyangithola ukuvaya sema finalini. Those intanga documented.
Yeah.
And ekugcineni intanga they live forever in the legacy of Mapagani.
Yeah.
Ayibekile uMr Mlambo mapakania. Sold out affair sibonane nesikotini bafethu. Bopha.
Uba.